Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this video, I am going to show you how to find the slope of a given a graph. So as we graph lines, we want to be able to identify different properties of the line we graph. One of the most important properties of a line is its slope, and slope is a measure of steepness. Um, as we measure steepness, we are interested in how fast the line rises compared to how far the line runs. For this reason, we will describe slope as fraction rise upon run. Okay, so for example, here given this is a line. So here we can take 2 points, any 2 points, and we make a triangle. This is called slope triangle. Okay, so this is rise and this is run. Okay, so here one more formula. Okay, so slope we represent m, and this is rise upon run, and rise means changes in y, and it means vertical, and run means changes in x. Okay, left or right. So here this change in x. So we have this formula, and we have to for find out slope, we have to make this type of triangle. Okay, so let's start the question. So our formula is rise upon run, and here you can count them: one, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, before we going to this, just remember, up means positive, down means you're going down, so negative. Okay, and right side, if you are going right side, it means positive, and left side in horizontal, negative. So in vertical, going up, it means positive, going down, it means negative. And in horizontal, going right, it means positive, and going left, it means negative. So here we are going down, it means minus 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, but we are going left side, that's why negative. Okay, we can simplify this. Negative, negative cancel, and we get 3 upon 2. We divided by 2. Okay, so what is slope of this line, this graph? 3 upon 2. Always write answer in simplest form. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, let's do this second question. Here going down. Okay, and always write formula. Okay. So here going down, it means minus 1, and going right, it means 2, positive 2. Okay, so this is our answer, minus 1 upon 2. Now third question. Okay, here no up and down, right? So rise upon run, rise no, 0, and going right, it means positive 2. So 0 upon 2 is 0. 0 divided by any number always get 0. So there no steepness, no slope, it means horizontal line. Okay, now this fourth question. Again write formula. Okay, so here going down 1, so negative 1, and no move right and left, so 0. And any number divided by 0, it means undefined. Okay, and this is vertical line, and vertical line has undefined slope. Okay, so let's see, we can get a conclusion. If line this type of means going up and up like this from left to right, it means slope always positive. Okay, and line goes like this from left to right going down, it means slope always negative. Okay, horizontal line slope no means horizontal line has no slope or 0. Okay, and here slope is very very high, so we can write undefined. Okay, so these four type of questions when slope is positive, negative, 0, undefined. Okay, and yeah, if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you want more questions, so yes, I can send you. And if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please click on the bell icon. Bye, have a nice time.